That's a beauty. Right on the money. What about that follow-through?
This is great to see. Wahab Riaz, and I'll tell you what, Shane Watson will not back down. This is great.
Oh, it's another excellent bouncer. A perfume ball. Have a sniff of that one, Watto.
Yeah, he loves it. Riaz is fired up here.
Not quite as good. Not called a wide either. Get away with that. Oh, it's a great shorter delivery to finish up. Excellent over. Pakistan on fire here after 13, 67 for 3.
Well, that's a good sniff. Right on the money. And he's pumped just shy of 145 Ks. Right on the money. And Watson's just got his grill out of the way. What do you call that perfume ball, David Fleming?
Here's another short one and gets him. Hits the handle of the glove. Not secure from Watson, so Pakistan sense they can get the 4th wicket. Again, that one short to the man on the onside. That's where Michael Clarke was caught. He's only bowled 4 overs. Feels like he's bowled 8. Another one edge. It'll fall in between the slips and third man. It's another win to the bowler. But Watson survives. 3 for 74.
How good was that? What an over from Wahab Riaz.
So Watson, a little bit ruffled at the crease at this stage. All he can do is survive, and he's doing that. At the moment, he's facing a lot of balls. He's only 4, but he's still out there. The challenge continues. It's a top edge. Down the throat, a fine leg. Oh, he dropped it! Can you believe it? That built that wicket up for the last couple of overs, and he clangs it.
That is a huge error from Pakistan. Brilliant bowling from Wahab again. He's built to that nicely, as Michael Slater said, and the catch goes down. An absolute dolly in the outfield. Down she goes.
Wahab to Watson. It's all up there around the ribs and beyond. Straight at the melon. And 5 here, as that one gets bunted just in front of bat pad. Took his eyes off it again.
It's good bowling, but poor batting as well. At this level, every delivery you can't be taking your eyes off. You have to speak to yourself that I'll face it. I'll have to do something different. That's what this level demands.
Oh, it's a good short ball. And it's that different angle, and it really makes Watson uncomfortable. I think the fact that it's just on the money every time at good pace.
Those are the deliveries from Wahab Riaz.
Yep, heart rate monitor, 250 plus.